Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to transfer money from your Santander bank account to Revolut, step by step, updated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Santander app or website. Log into your Santander online banking, either through the app or on their website. Use your password, fingerprint, or Face ID depending on your security settings. Step 2. Go to Payments or Transfers. Once you're in, look for the Payments or Transfers section in the main menu. Step 3. Add a new payee, if not already added. Tap Add New Recipient and select International or Non-Santander account, depending on your location. Enter your Revolut bank account details, including the IBAN and BIC SWIFT code. You can find these in your Revolut app under your EUR or GBP account details. Step 4. Enter the transfer amount. Now enter the amount of money you want to send. Make sure to double check the currency and the exchange rate if you're sending between different currencies. Step 5. Confirm the details. Review the recipient's name, account number IBAN, and the amount. Some regions may ask for a payment reference. This can be something simple like personal transfer. Step 6. Authorize the payment. Santander may ask for additional verification, like an SMS code, Santander key, or fingerprint authentication. Once verified, the money will be sent. Timing tip. Transfers from Santander to Revolut take anywhere from a few minutes to 1 to 2 business days, depending on the time and the currency. Important note. Always ensure that the Revolut IBAN and BIC are correct. A mistake could delay the transfer or send the funds to the wrong account. And that's it. You've just learned how to transfer money from Santander to Revolut in 2025. If this guide helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more smart banking tutorials. Thanks for watching.